Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to one more amazing session from Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. How are you? So, getting ready for re-NEET and re-rise. How are you all doing? And let us know any specific doubts or any specific concerns from the NEET Chemistry. I am here to help you out of it. Hi, Shailu Kumari, here it is given. Many students are there. I request my dear students, this is a re-NEET examination. It's a re-rise opportunity for you all guys. Happened something in the method, doesn't matter. You're going to write your re-NEET June 21. So take this as an opportunity and do the score the best. So what do you say? Those students who are online, please like the session, share with your friends and subscribe to Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. So, hi Rahul. Okay, so in today's class we will discuss about NEET multiple choice most expected question. I crafted the most important NEET examination questions. So without delay, I just want to start the session here. In this session, you are going to see the most crafted, most wanted questions. Expecting you to give this question number 1 without any delay. Let us start. Which of the following acids do not exhibit optical isomerism? So which will exhibit and which will not exhibit, you can see. Lactic acid, this is your lactic acid, COOH and COH and H and CH2OH. So we are having a chiral center, it will show optical isomerism. Fine. And tartaric acid, you have COOH and you have COOH. It will show isomerism, optical isomerism. And user IC3Cu2IW7Q, hello. And malic acid and fumaric acid shows geometrical isomerism. You are going to see the malic acid like this, COOH and COOH. It shows geometrical isomerism and do not show optical isomerism, do not show. And alpha amino acid, COOH and C, and it is going to be R, NH2R. So it will show optical isomerism. So in this scenario, lactic acid will show, tartaric acid will show, malic acid do not show, and alpha amino acid will show. So my answer for this question is going to be option C. Like that, you have to meticulously answer NEET examination questions. What do you say? What do you say? Any doubt? Use the chat box and please let me know if you have any doubts. And please like the session, share with your friends, those who are online, and please subscribe to Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel. Hello, ho, C. Answer is C. I like the way you are chatting here. Of course, let us see one more question. The order of basicity of halides. Order of basicity of halides. Trupti, you want to say the answer for this? I will give you a simple trick for this. What is the trick? A strong acid will have weak conjugate base. So this is the trick I just want to give you. A strong acid will have weak conjugate base. So based on this, I want to say acidic strength. I want to say HF is less than HCl, HBr and HI. The strong acid is HI and weak conjugate base Br minus, Cl minus, F minus. So this is the basic strength. So based on this basic strength, don't stop your answers. And I want to say F minus is again, I am not Tamil, I am speaking here, it is in English. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please let me know. The answer for this question is going to be A. So that Josh should be have in the live session. व्हाट डू यू से बच्चों? दोज हु आर ऑनलाइन प्लीज एक बार लाइक बटन दबाओ. अंजलि गुप्ता, हाय बेटा. दिस इज आंसर ए फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. एनी डाउट? Next, you are going to see one more question. Among the following strongest base. Among the following strongest base. This is aniline, NH2, para-nitroaniline, and this is meta-nitroaniline. And you see this is benzyl amine. This is the last structure, CH2, NH2. These are all aromatic amines. And this is aliphatic amine. Aliphatic amines are more basic as compared to aromatic amine. Therefore, I want to say option D is the correct answer for this. Fundamental, you just follow the fundamental aspects. Okay, Prem Trupti, अंजलि गुप्ता, अगर कुछ डाउट है ना तो सीधा आप एक्सप्लेनेशन का रिक्वेस्ट भेज सकते हैं चैट बॉक्स में. ओके, लेट अस सी वन मोर क्वेश्चन हियर. So, which of the following exhibit again optical isomerism? ये क्या बात है बेटा? So, I just want to give more emphasis on general organic chemistry. Not only general organic chemistry, mix match questions we are going to see in this. Come on. Be rapid fire round. It is a NEET, re-NEET chemistry multiple choice questions drill is going on right now. So, Anjali Gupta, if you talk about a butane 2-ol, this is a butane 2-ol, you are going to get a chiral center. Whenever a molecule have one chiral center, it is going to be optically active. My answer for this question is going to be option 2 is the correct answer. Right? So, let's take a clock and do the questions, and I want to know how much time you are taking to give the answer. Everybody, I strongly recommend give the answer in the chat box. If the answer is correct, well and good, congratulations. If the answer is not correct, I will correct you. Hi, Pratik Gupta, butane 1. No. Butane 1-ol is not butane 2-ol. So, the carbon should have the 4 different groups around the carbon. And which of the following molecules pi electron density is minimum? Pi electron density is minimum. Who will give the answer? Waiting for your answer. And here nitro group, negative mesomeric effect. Aniline, positive mesomeric effect. OCH3, positive mesomeric effect. And O minus and super positive mesomeric effect. Negative mesomeric effect takes away the electron from the benzene, so that you are going to see electron is coming in, electron is going out, should be the minimum. Answer 1 is the correct answer for this question. Anjali Gupta, your answer is correct. Fine. So everybody give the answer. So I just want to see how better you can do. One more question. I said it's a rapid fire round. Re-NEET examination. Re-rate, re-rise. Re-NEET, re-rise. So the tag I just want to follow, ease of ionization to produce the carbocation and the bromide ion under the treatment of Ag plus will be maximum in which of the following? It is all depends upon, it is said that carbocation. अगर ये ब्रोमीन हटा देंगे तो Br माइनस ये कार्बोकैटायन बनेगा. इट इज साइक्लोप्रोपीनियम कार्बोकैटायन, ताकि इसका एरोमेटिक होगा. जब एरोमेटिक होगा ना ये ज्यादा स्टेबल होता है. आंसर इसका ऑप्शन 1. अंडरस्टैंड अंजलि, तृप्ति, प्रतीक, all the student, user IC 3CU 2IW. Okay, different names, weird names are there. Okay, Pratik beta, अगर कुछ डाउट है ना पूछना जल्दी. Okay, one more question here. Keto-enol tautomerism is not observed in. Keto-enol tautomerism करने के लिए you need to have, there should be a multiple bond between carbon to electronegative atom. That electronegative atom can be oxygen or nitrogen. And this is the carbon is called alpha carbon. And this, there should be a alpha hydrogen. So this is the condition and this is the condition. And condition number 1, condition number 2. You have to check these two conditions to show whether it is showing tautomerism or not. I'm always be clear here. So if you check this first one, you want to take this is a C double bond O and it is going to be a C double bond O. Where is alpha hydrogen? इसके पास alpha hydrogen है नहीं, so it will not show tautomerism. It will not show tautomerism. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Are you getting or not? Fine. That's good. And which of the following conformation of butane is the most stable? Butane means this is your butane, okay, and this is hydrogen, 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 CH3, CH3. It is fully eclipsed. It is fully eclipsed. And you can say it is a partially eclipsed. Hydrogen CH3, hydrogen CH3, hydrogen and hydrogen. This is partially eclipsed. And if you can see, this is the one CH3 and CH3, CH3, and this is a CH3 hydrogen, hydrogen, and you can say this is सिर्फ hydrogen होगा बेटा. Hydrogen and hydrogen, this is what is called as anti. So anti is the most stable. Anti is the most stable. I just want to say option A is the correct. Anti. That's perfect. That's perfect. Whenever you could able to give the answer, you're bubbling with your enthusiasm. I really love it. I really love your enthusiasm. Next question. Which of the following has the most acidic hydrogen? Most acidic hydrogen. Okay, it is all ketones. So the ketone 2,4-hexandione and 2,5-hexandione, active methylene hexandione. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 and 4 and 5. Okay, so 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number, 6 number. Now you can see this is active methylene group. In this active methylene group, you have a hydrogen here, you have a hydrogen here. This is active methylene group. In this active methylene group, 2,5-hexan, 2,4-hexandione is the correct answer for this question. I just want to say option B is the correct answer. Again, you are jumping with. Any doubt? That's good. Anjali, come on. Pratik, come on. So make a connect. So come out of all your turbulence and rejuvenate with your re-NEET examination. Bacho, और एक question है, which is the correct order of stability of carbocations? So CH3, what CH2, what CH2, what CH3? Okay. So the CH2 present between 2 C double bond O is called active methylene group, which has acidic hydrogen. Fine. Now you want to say stability of carbocation is directly proportional to positive mesomeric effect, positive inductive effect, or inversely proportional to negative mesomeric effect and negative inductive effect. Now you can see negative inductive effect, negative mesomeric effect. Among this, mesomeric effect and inductive effect, mesomeric effect is more effective, and this is having a positive inductive effect, positive hyperconjugation, and you have negative inductive effect, positive mesomeric effect, and you are going to see this is going to be the more stable. So 3 is more stable as compared to 3 is more stable as compared to 2 is more stable as compared to 4 is more stable than 1. So the answer for this question is going to be option A. Again, that's fine, that's fine. So in the rapid fire round, we'll see more questions here. Right. Now I just want to say cyclopentadienyl anion is much more stable than allyl anion. Yes, cyclopentadienyl anion is aromatic. It is aromatic. It is correct. And cyclopentadienyl anion is aromatic. Yes, both assertion and reason are correct. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. This is the kind of the questions that you are going to expect in coming NEET examination. Bacho, Supriya, hi. Anybody re-NEET students here? Everybody is re-NEET students here. You want to participate, Supriya? Give the answer in this chat box so that we can rise with the multiple choice questions in the rapid fire round. Come on, next, one more question here. Which of the following is most acidic? Which of the following is most acidic? Come on. Who will give the answer here? Waiting for your answer. So it is having, it's a phenol, nitrophenol, negative mesomeric effect, negative inductive effect. It is just a phenol and it is a meta. It works only with meta positions and only inductive effect, no resonance effect. Supriya, come on, here it is going to be negative mesomeric effect, negative inductive effect. But here inductive effect is more. But the thing is, orthonitrophenol is expected to be more acidic, but the thing is there is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Because of the intramolecular hydrogen bonding, it has a less acidic. By leaving that, I would like to say para-nitrophenol, option C is the correct answer for this question. Any doubt? Any doubt, bacho? Okay, waiting for you. Your questions. Hi Supriya and user IC3CU. Come on, I want you to give the answer in this case. Which of the following mixture shows a positive deviation from Raoult law? It's pretty simple. Intermolecular force on mixing increases, vapor pressure decreases, negative deviation from Raoult law. If intermolecular force decreases, vapor pressure increases, it shows positive deviation from Raoult law. So that ethyl alcohol and acetone is the mixture shows a positive deviation from Raoult law. Okay. So those students who are online, please like the session. And I just want to say a fusion mixture of NaCl and HCl on electrolysis. You are going to give you Na plus and Hu plus and Cl minus. In the presence of Na plus, HCl will be deposited as a H2 gas at a cathode and it is going to be as a chlorine gas at a anode. So the answer for this question is going to be chlorine at anode, hydrogen at respectively. Okay. Hi Tarani. Very good. Anode, look at this. There is a trap, anode and a cathode respectively. You understand where NEET can deceive you, NEET examination can deceive you. Fine. Tarani, next one more question here. The correct graph for the zero order. The correct graph for the zero order, it is in the textbook it is given. If the reactant concentration versus time, you are going to get a straight line. Slope is going to be negative k. This is a zero order. So answer 4 is the correct. Answer 4 is the correct answer. Fine. So I am mixing all the chapters now. You can do it, Supriya Rathod. Right. Now here it is, the catalyst that is used and the Walker process, and it is application of D and F block elements here, bacho. Yes, Walker process PdCl2 is used. So it is going to be dry cell MnO2 is used, and Haber's process iron is used, and silver UK coins it is going to be 3. So the answer for this question is 1, right? Moving ahead, rapid find. Which of the following alcohol on oxidation gives PCC given aldehyde? So primary alcohol, PCC mild oxidation, you are going to get aldehyde. Secondary alcohol, when react with the PCC, you are going to get a ketone. So who is the primary alcohol? Option 2 is the correct answer for this question. Are you getting or not, bacho? That's fantastic. Tarni, Supriya Rathod, other students, user IC3CU. I want you to give the answer in the rapid fire, man. Now you can see the major products obtained in this given reaction. So nitrobenzene SnCl to HCl, you are going to see the formation of aniline. And this is treated with NaNO2 HCl, you are going to see this is a benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, this benzene diazonium chloride is on hydrolysis, decently gives us a phenol. Okay, the answer for this question is going to be A. Option 1. So this is the methodology you need to follow. Whenever NEET examination paper is given, just first follow biology, then chemistry, at last you can do physics. But when you do chemistry, out of 45 questions, I can simply say 15 questions will be doable without pen and paper. And you can track those questions, then start with pen and paper. 20 questions you can do. So 20 plus 15, 35 questions in your hand. And rest of the 10 questions is the deciding factor. You can take 50-50. In this 50-50, rest of the 10 questions, just take it 5 questions in your pocket, 5 questions just maybe hypothetically kept away. So 40 questions you are answerable. If you do 40 chemistry, just to say you are close to 700. If physics is also you did like that, what do you say? Thirding, Supriya, Rahul, all the students who are online in this session, we are going to take care of all the multiple choice questions, motivations, planning and everything. So this is a re-NEET examination. Never and ever feel that you have to study that and you left something and you are lacking something. You did it, yeah, you did it, but unfortunately you have to rewrite the examination. Not a problem. So that is by default. If hard work is in the proper way, if smart work is in a proper way, the result is the byproduct here. You are a bio students, you know byproducts. Like that, okay. Arpita Pandey, yes, keep this motivation with you, keep this motivation with you. Here from Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel will drive you till your NEET examination. Even after NEET examination, we will be here to make you, to help you to do the best, right? Best in the exam. And we will push you till you reach to your dream medical college. What do you say? Now one more question here. And how many of the following are basic amino acids? Phenylalanine, it is an aromatic amino acid. Okay, and lysine is a basic amino acid. Arginine is a basic amino acid, valine is a neutral amino acid, and isoleucine is a neutral amino acid. I could get only 2 over here. What do you say? What do you say? Fantastic, beta. Now moving ahead, brown ring test is used for the confirmation of 2. Superior Rathod. No. The principle behind this brown ring test is to confirm the nitrate ion. Nitrate ion has an ability to convert Fe2 to Fe3 plus. Fe2 to Fe3 plus, and it will be NO. And hydrated Fe 2 plus, and with NO you are going to get FeH2O 5 NO and 2 plus. This is a brown ring complex. You got it? Clear? The answer is going to be nitrate ion. Fantastic. That's good. Bhumika, hi. So Supriya, 2 for previous question. Okay, right. Bhumika, fantastic, sir, that you are showing interest in presenting the answers. Okay. Tarani, you also give the answers. That's good. Perfect, beta. And one more, given below 2 statements. NEET examination loves assertion and reason type questions. The value of 1/2 factor I for ethanoic acid dissolved in the water is more than 1 CH3COOH. It is going to give CH3COO minus and H plus because it ionizes. Therefore, I would like to say both A and R true, and R is the correct explanation of A. What do you say here? That's good. And you can see the template of the answers can be jumbled here and there. Right? And moving ahead, one more question. Again, my favorite assertion, not my favorite, NEET favorite. In the NEET examination, assertion reasoning questions are important, statement 1, statement 2 questions are important, and match the typing questions important, right? And simply you stuck up with solving numericals, which may not be the correct option. Okay, so for strong electrolyte, conductivity increases with a decrease in concentration. Molar conductivity is equal to limiting molar conductivity B root C D by Huckel rule. It is given in the NCERT. If you take this molar conductivity root concentration for a strong electrolyte, it comes like this because of the ionization. So this is going to be the molar conductance at 0 concentration or limiting molar conductance. The answer for this question, again, both R and assertion and reason correct, and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion, right? And moving ahead, one more question. Which among the following element present in the fluoroapatite? So in the NCERT P block element, the fluoroapatite. So 3Ca3PO4 twice calcium fluoride. This is your fluoroapatite. In that I could find phosphorus as an element. I could find phosphorus as an element. Okay. So answer 3 is the correct answer for this question. Any doubt? Any doubt, bacha? So you will be having a nearly borderline topics from the P block elements like that. Okay. Bhumika Patel, yes, it is not one, it is phosphorus. It is phosphorus. Yes. Tarani, okay, as the time is almost exhausted, I just want to meet you with more stuff in the next class, better, and we'll see you. Please stay tuned with our channel and you can do the best. Okay. Any doubts, you can just mention in the comment box or the chat box here. Stay motivated. Okay. Do you know the deciding factor for your re-NEET examination preparation? Probably. But the major deciding factor for your re-NEET examination is the mental stability. You should be stubborn and you should be clear in your application orientations and stay motivated. Okay, thank you very much. Those who are online, please like the session and please share this session with your friends. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to the Sri Chaitanya Academy Infinity Learn NEET YouTube channel so that आगे आने वाला का सेशंस का अपडेट आपको मिल जाएगा. Thank you very much. Bye bye.